Hi there, this is Real Derby Mark Roman, and I want to show this interesting T-Bird Times program. It's been a while since I've actually made a video. I've been uploading just some really great IRSL and IRDL interviews, so I'm glad that everybody has been enjoying that. But I figured I would change things up and actually show a really cool T-Bird Times program from May 1975. So this is volume 1, number 6. It's 50 cents. And this is a T-Bird Times program with a Indian death match. And there's some skaters, some autographs here. I think that's Porky Parker. No, it's not. It's somebody else, because Parker wore number 48, but it looks like this is Porky, but it's not. Anyways, yeah, it's got some really cool autographs from the skaters on the cover here, and also on the inside. I'll show that as well. But right there, that is Danny Riley going up against John Parker in a Indian death match. And also, I'm pretty sure that Big John Johnson got involved in it as well. And we'll see some of those pictures inside too. But without further ado, let's get to showing it. This is page 1. Here's page 2. And there is Aloha Linda. I forgot, I can't, Kimura, but they called her Pineapple. So that's, and she was on the bomber team. I can't think of the name for some reason, it's escaping me, but anyways, there's John Hall. Anytime you want to pause the video and read what it says, then by all means, please do. Here's page 3. Chiefs invade Midwest. There's John Parker right there on the right. And number 46, I don't know who he is. So if anybody knows who number 46 is, then please comment below. Some of the T-Bird skaters right there. Okay. There shows the the men and the girls on the T-Birds. There is Sue Neibauer right there. She was on the T-Birds too, I guess. Yeah, number 8. Right, and there's a picture of her. Uh, 5/9/1975. There's the Chiefs. It says Candy Jones is on the Chiefs right there. And Greg Robertson, general manager. Page 6, and there's a lot of great pictures and just a bunch of autographs. I can't really make out some of the names, but Donna Fox right there. Twiggy. She is Gail Twiggy Westbrook. Yeah, but anyways, here's some great photos. Here's John Johnson, Danny Riley. There's John Parker and Danny Riley. There they are right there going at it. There again. There's John Parker and Big John Johnson. There's the Indian strap death match. That John Parker, he invented it, and he has been undefeated in all of the Indian death matches. So he is undefeated. That's, I believe that's Sandy Dunn right there. Page 7. There's a great shot of some of the T-Birds men. Danny Riley. That one, number 3, is... doesn't say. But that, I believe, is Ed Dresser right there. That's Danny Riley. I forgot his name. So, anyways. Here's the back. Here's Lightning Lynn Romanello. I can't pronounce her last name. Sorry. But it's a picture of her. Game schedule. Right there. Kyle Auditorium, Chicago Amphitheater, and Waukegan High School. So, there you guys go. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please comment and tell your friends, tell your family, tell them all to subscribe to my Roller Derby Mark Roman YouTube channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm now at 813. So please share this around, and hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is Roller Derby Mark Roman signing out. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Thank you everybody for your support too, and for your great comments.